Hello you guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is Sunday morning and we are going to be working on the trailer again today. If you watched the last video, we started painting in there and taking things down and working on stuff, but it was just like a short little work day on the trailer today. I had plans to get a lot of stuff done, so I'm going to set up the GoPro again and we're going to get to work. I'll show you guys kind of what I plan on doing today, so you guys know if you are thinking about updating your RV, then you'll know like the stuff we're using. I'm not professionals, just kind of doing the things that I've like researched and seen other people use and stuff like that. So let's go out there and get to work. So for the cabinets, we're using liquid sandpaper before painting the cabinets. This is the paint that we're using. Bare Premium Paint and Primer in one, so we should only have to do like 2 or 3 coats, probably 2. And the bottom cabinets are going to be Bare Shark Fin, this gray color, and then the white that we're using for the walls and the upper cabinets is called Frost, also by Bare, same paint. We've got some trim pieces here that are going to go down on the floor, not today, but we got those. And then the hardware for the cabinets I ordered on Amazon, and they are linked in my Amazon shop, but they are these black, if I can get it out with one hand, these black drawer pulls for all of them. You just need to make sure you measure yours to get the right size. And then I also got this doorknob for the bathroom door in there to match the, where is it? There we go. To match, also from Amazon. So let's go in the trailer and I'll show you my plans for today. So here is our trailer. It's a 1995 Aljo Skyline Aljo. Fresh new paint job on the outside. Yesterday we painted the first coat on the walls, and that whole wall over there was all that wood tone. You know, it was like this. I painted all that yesterday. And we took down a bunch, like all of the valances and blinds and stuff like that. So today I'm going to do the second coat of the white. Donnie is going to remove all of these cabinets and start liquid sanding and spray painting this part black. And we're going to remove the table and those brackets so I can paint the rest of this part of the wall. And do the second coat on all of this white, and then hopefully start in on the cabinets as well. Okay, so Donnie's in here doing the liquid sandpaper. Just gloves, a rag, wiping it all down. And it just like, what, degreases it? Yeah. Like preps the surface for paint. Yep. So that's what he's doing. I haven't seen this.
What?
This. When did you do that?
I don't know, a few days ago.
Oh. That's handy.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, the one I pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark?
All done on the walls and on both sides. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the liquid sander and start going over all of these upper cabinets so I can start painting all of that.
I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, 'cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living love and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. I just give 200% every day 'cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. Ooh, I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living love and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could get me and you. Let's just sleep beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could be like me and you. Let's just stay beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here, love, I'll be living love and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living love and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna season
why I got it for hardcover.
Brayden went to Barnes & Noble with his AMM Lisa, and she got him some new books.
And
hi, sister.
Here's the second one that I got.
Can you make it? Here, give me your hand.
Captain Underpants and the Revolt Team Revenge of the Radioactive Robo-Boxers.
Wow.
And now here's one that I never seen before, the Captain Underpants Extra Crunchy Book of Fun 1, but I only had number 2. And now here's Captain Underpants' National Saga, Sir Stinks a Lot.
How was your time there? Did you have fun?
And those were all the books I
You
got.
gonna sit on the couch to see?
And my brother got a book. It's who
Careful.
would win 5 battles in 1 book.
Wow.
And the Adventures of Super Dapper Baby in hardcover and the same Captain Underpants right here.
Cool. What's this say?
I like this. Where's a bed?
Your bed is going to be right here. This turns into a bed, but right now it's all taken apart because we're painting and making it look cool in here.
Oh.
I'm working on it. See, I'm painting the cabinets.
In that?
Yep. Did you have a fun time with my mom, Lisa?
Yep.
Yeah?
Where you got this couch?
That was already in it.
Oh.
Yeah, I missed you so much, baby.
Lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not. But I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this.
All right, well, Kristen's inside painting. I'm out in the garage right now, and I think she got a little clip of me prepping the cupboard doors and getting them cleaned and ready so she could paint those. And then I got the hardware all taken off, and I got it hanging right now so I could paint it. Just got a 2x4 that I had in the garage, and then I got this really small, cheap wire so that I could hang each piece of hardware. Works out pretty good, so it's better than, I think, better than laying flat on, you know, some cardboard or something and painting one half, then waiting for it to dry and then paint the other half. So that way you can paint the whole thing and let it hang there and dry. So I still got some paint to do, but I was just showing you what I got set up here for that. I think it's working out pretty good.
For you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. You shine brighter, brighter than a diamond. Your shine is lighter, lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sun. You're lighter than the sunlight.
All right, the uppers are complete. So now I'm gonna start working on painting the cabinets in the garage.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true.
the second coat is done on the upper cabinets for the living area. So we'll let that dry and cure until tomorrow. I just changed out of my painting clothes and I've got on my new Crew Love crew neck sweatshirt. I will link them down below. It's from June and Jean, I think is what it's called. But we are done working for the day. It is 5:30, so we're gonna get ready and go get some pizza. I am a hot friggin' mess. Look at this hair today. Yeah, so nice. You wanna say hi to the vlog? Hi vlog. It's your funny face? All right, you guys ready to go get some pizza?
Yes.
Yes?
Pizza.
Yeasty beastie? What? Oh, you need help with your boot? Okay. There you go. Anyways, cruise crew for Brittany and Jeff Leach, their little boy crew. Yeah, this is for him. So anyways, I need to fix my hair a little tiny bit. And then we're going out to dinner. And then tomorrow I'm gonna work on starting in on the gray paint, like on the bottom part of all of the bottom cabinets. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but we're just working on like one room at a time. So we're doing the main living area right now, and then we'll work on like the bathroom and then the bedroom, you know, I don't know what order, but just one room at a time to make it less like overwhelming, so. Daddy's running over to get the truck because we parked over there. And he's gonna pull right up here so we can get in because it is pouring rain. What? You see Daddy running? Look at him. Run, Daddy, run. All right, friends, we are home from dinner. Kids are all watching a movie and they actually don't have school tomorrow. So they're gonna stay up a little late, watch a movie. I just got everybody's oil diffusers going in their rooms, and they're all in Berkeley's room right now. Berkeley's room is all pink. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because there's gonna be tons more trailer update videos. I'm gonna work on more tomorrow, and I'm gonna be vlogging every single thing that I do in the trailer. So be on the lookout for that. Even if you aren't, you know, in the market to update an RV, it's still like super satisfying to watch. It's like almost like a cleaning video, like just super satisfying. I love watching that kind of stuff. So anyways, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.